Hey, hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I have found another free AI coder and its name is, here you see, Deepseek R1 70B is now on Cerebras. So this is a combination between the Cerebras and Deepseek R1 70B. So instant reasoning at 1500 token per second and 57x faster than GPUs. Higher model accuracy than GPT-4o and O1 mini. We know that O1 mini and this GPT-4o both are paid model, but here this combination between Cerebras and this Deepseek R1 is completely free, and here you see that 57x faster. That means you will get your code within a second. Let me show you that. Here you see from ChatGPT I have generated some of the app ideas. So I will generate all of these apps, okay, with the help of the Cerebras and Deepseek, and we will see that how much faster it is and how much code it generates. Here you see that run 100% on Cerebras US data center. That's why it is very faster. And if you see this diagram that Deepseek is now on Cerebras, here you will get the combination. Here you see that Cerebras speed you will get, and then from Deepseek you will get the Deepseek reasoning portion, that is R1, and from Llama you will get the weights. So if you scroll down below, they have also written this. Deepseek's R1 70B combines the powerful reasoning ability of the full R1 model with the size and speed of Llama 70B, right? And this R1 70B outperforms GPT-4o and O1 mini across a range of general and reasoning benchmarks, making it the most capable Llama 70B variant by far. And if you see this graph, this is the benchmark comparison. Deepseek on R1 70B outperforms OpenAI's GPT-4o and O1. So basically it is outperforming the paid model. Now here is the website link that is given, inference.cerebras.ai. I will also give this link in the description box. So here if you come to this website, this is the interface, and on the right hand side here you will find a drop down. So click on the drop down. Here you will find all of the models, okay, and now from here we will choose this Deepseek R1 distilled Llama 70B. Okay, now here I will ask this model some app ideas to integrate, right? Okay, so I will take this let's say personal journal app. Okay, so let me copy this prompt. Now let me paste it here and change it personal journal app to personal journal website using React.js. If you are interested for Next.js, then you can write that, or if you are interested to implement the backend, then you can go for this Node.js or Java. Okay, so according to the technology you can write it. Now if I press enter, you will see that it has started writing the code, the setup of the project. Here you see that nps create react app, the comment, and what are the dependency that I need to use. It has given all of these things also. Okay, now here you see that I have asked for the features like this encryption. Here you see the encryption that I have asked. Now it has given that portion also, like this crypto.js. It is telling me that to install this crypto.js. Now if I scroll down below, here you see that journal entry component. It has given me the whole code within a second. So that's why I told you that they have written this thing that 57x faster than GPUs. Okay, and so let me show you that what it has generated. The mini app component, and this is the full code and encryption functionality code, and add a model for viewing entries. So basically a professional app or website it has generated. Okay, if you write this code in your VS Code in a file, then you will get the full functional app, right? And at the last also they have mentioned that what you have to do and how to run this on this localhost 3000. You will get npm start, you have to run. So I am very happy with this approach. Now let me ask another website. Okay, so let me ask for this recipe finder. Okay, so let me take this recipe finder or I can take this simple e-commerce app. Okay, so let me copy this, and so let me reload this. Let me choose this model again, Deepseek R1, and paste it here. So simple e-commerce website using React JS. Okay, again I am telling you that whatever technology you are familiar, you can ask that for also. Okay, press enter. Here you see within a second I got the code. The full functional code is ready for me, and if I create this app.css in my VS Code, and this all of the file that they have mentioned, and if I paste the same code there, then you will get the answer. And here you see that you can ask the cross question also on this given code, right? So this is a very powerful model that I think, and please try this on your own and let me know the what is your thought. Okay, and all the links are given in the description box, please check there. And here you see that they have also written, reasoning models are powerful but can take minutes to generate the final answer. In case of Deepseek R1, we have already seen that how it takes time to generate the code, right? But here you see Cerebras inference makes AI instant again. And in the coding example below, they have also given one example in their Twitter post that Cerebras inference R170B returns the answer in 1.5 seconds versus 22 seconds using O1 mini. So this model is very much faster. And here you see Cerebras is the fastest reasoning platform in the world. We run R170B at over 1500 token per second and 57x faster GPU solution. They have given this comparison. So this was the video. I hope you found this video helpful, guys, and if you found helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.